Hey, I'm JJ with Cablecast, and we're here at NAB 2019, and I'm showing a couple of super cool new features in Cablecast 7. Now, we had just talked about the new channel branding features, Cablecast CG, and how the VIO servers can do squeeze-back of content to make a really seamless on-air presence. Now, I want to show you a little bit about how that's actually set up. Now, this is kind of like one-time setup stuff. It's a little technical, but I want to kind of get down into the feature so I can show you how versatile it actually is. So we're going to head over to settings. We're going to go to location. We're going to go to system settings, into channels, and then into our VIO server channel. Go into branding. Now, you got to know that this is hot off the press kind of software stuff, right? And we misspelled Squeezeback. So just gloss over that. We're totally going to fix it before we release it. But we're so excited to show this feature here at NAB that we wanted to just show the cutting edge stuff. So there's a little bit of stuff, misspellings going on. No problem. So we're going to go in there. Now we're going to enable channel squeezebacks, right? So we'll enable it. We'll pick what Cablecast CG channel we want to run when our content squeezes back. We'll use the L-bar channel. And now you're familiar with this. Now this is the zone layout for that CG channel, right? And here we want it to squeeze back into this main zone. So you notice from the previous videos when we actually saw that squeeze back animation, it did go from full screen back into that zone. So here we can hit save, and now the squeeze back branding is set up. Now the question is, what content goes in there, right? We're going to flip back to our schedule.
I don't want to knock you off our air, so sure. But I want to at least look and see
let's flip to our other location so we can get a little bit more realistic looking schedule. So we'll flip to our favorite station, CTN. Now you can see here we've got a normal schedule of content, right? And between the content, of course, would just be the bulletin board. But with the new channel branding stuff, we use the new fill gaps feature to populate what that squeezeback content is. So if we click fill gap up here, we can choose a saved search. So we're going to do our active PSAs. So these are going to just be little 30-second filler pieces. Hit fill gap. And now Cablecast is going to put in a bunch of those little 30-second clips to fill that gap between the programs. So we're going to go from our show to a bunch of filler PSAs that are L-barred around, and then back to our next show. It's going to squeeze back, and it's going to come back full screen. So it's super cool. So that is how we populate the content for Cablecast CG and the channel branding squeeze back feature to work in conjunction. Really cool stuff. Thanks.